All right, guys, we're in my garage, and it's super small, so I had to come back in because I have a future project over here, and those handlebars would have been deathly. So today is just a me day. This is something I bought for my truck, and we are gonna install it, talk about it. It's just gonna be a quick 10-15 minute video for you guys. But what I have here behind me, you can't see that, so bed, big thing, bed, big thing. It's a tonneau cover, and we're gonna talk about it. If you have an F-150 like mine, I let everybody know. Just gotta put it out there for them to see. You can get on AmericanTrucks.com. We're not sponsored at all. I mean, at all. Be cool, but we're not. They have a lot of options for these trucks. So I got on there. I've been wanting a tonneau cover, and I had one priced out. I get on there. One's for $319 before taxes, of course. So that was easy. So I went to install it. It was just a good deal. I can't pass up a good deal. It's going to be doing the same thing as that other one. The other one was $600. It'd have been like $700. It was like $699 for a trifold. I got a trifold hardcover for $319 off their website. It was on sale. So I bought it. We're gonna put it on there. It's gonna be quick. I'll talk about it and show it off. So let's get to it. Probably unbox it first. This should be pretty easy. It's so this is an aircraft grade aluminum style supports. That's strong. So, and it feels pretty good, actually. It's a hardcover, and it's got marine grade vinyl stretched across the top, so it's gonna have a clean look. I mean, for you guys, this is gonna be like 2 minutes. For me, it's gonna be about, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. That's about this. There's no tracks that I gotta put in my truck. I don't have to mount anything in there. This is a self-containing system, and I'll show you. So you got these latches, see when I pull on that, it pulls down. This is gonna grab on the inside of my bed, and I'm able to fully adjust that. See, there's threads all the way through there. If you guys can see that. There's threads all the way through there, threaded. So I'm gonna be able, it's gonna sit in there like that in my bed. I mean, look, see, these are probably for different trucks. I can take this out and move it. Hopefully this fits my truck. If not, I can move it. I mean, I'm capable of seeing that these are all the same stuff. So let's get this unloaded and set it on the bed and get it installed. Got instructions, looked at those. I got these huge Carter pins, so it made me look at the instructions as to why. There's a hole right here. Don't fall. Let me see if I can get you guys some light. All right, so, man. All right, that's where those Carter pins are gonna go. They're gonna sit in there and lock it so it doesn't rattle loose. Is that the best system? No, I would have liked to seen, see, that comes out to adjust for beds. So, I mean, me personally, I would have liked to seen a locking nut on here, nylon locking nut, to just hold it tight where you can just crank the crap out of it and it's never going to come undone. We'll see though. I mean, tonneau covers, they're a get what you pay for. I'm okay with having a hardcover I know is going to be solid versus a soft cover. The only reason I went with a cheaper hardcover is because it's way better than a soft cover. But that, like I was saying earlier, that $699 one, that one, they can hold up to like 300 pounds. I'm not sure. I looked. I could not find like how much weight it could withstand. To keep my stuff dry, it's gonna give my truck a nice look, and it's gonna be something where you're not gonna be able to come up to me when I'm in Walmart getting my snacks and stab my tonneau cover and get what I got in my bed. And with these new trucks, tailgate locks. They've locked for a long time, but automatically. I don't gotta go back there and do it. So you're not gonna be able to get in it at all. Anyways, back to what we were doing. Instructions say to unclip it. This is what rests against, this portion right here is what rests against the cab. It doesn't rest against the cab. It goes towards the cab at the back of the bed, front of the bed, head of the bed, whatever you want to call it. So it says to unlatch it and do it like unfold it and then crawl in there and tighten it down. Why would you do that? It's our like, oh man. It's conveniently got these straps. So I'm gonna lay this down there like this. What I'm gonna do is leave this latched. I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna do these two first. Hello. Should also note that it's raining, so everything's soaking wet. Love to hear it. So, I gotta watch my head here. The object is to get the same amount from over here. Get it lined up nice and pretty up here. And get the same amount over here without it being crooked. Okay. Once you've done that, it's dark in there. But like I said, you unscrew those. They hook to the bottom of your bed here. Tighten them up. We'll unlatch it. We'll do the same thing at the back. So I'm using these foot pads right here. This is the weather sealing system. See, I'm using that to kind of get it. So we got this side on this rail, pretty straight. Same thing on this side. We're a little bit over. I'm not a perfectionist. Actually, I am. That's a lie. All right, guys. So got one side on. As you can see, that's it. Let's finish this up. We'll take a step back and look at it. So I need a bigger garage. Screw that in. This is the easiest way. Just get it in there and slid back and you tighten. See how that goes up? Yep. Done. Tightened. Alright, don't be like me. I thought you wanted a flush fit like that. No. You want that. So I may have to adjust some more. I got somewhere to be, so I'm gonna have to stop it right there. But that's nice. Can't put much weight down. That sucks. But you have to obviously put that up. See, I don't like that. You're just supposed to give her a lift and rape your fingers? Or are you supposed to just... Alright, well, that doesn't seem practical. This is just a cheaper option. It's gonna do what I needed to do. And I'm okay with the quality. You have to be with certain things. Certain things that you're gonna buy is gonna be, you get what you pay for. I got what I paid for. I can't be too upset about it. Truck looks good. If you haven't already, hit that like button. That lets us know we're doing good. Hit that subscribe button to help get our numbers up there. I think last time we looked at our metrics, not a lot of you guys were subscribed. I don't know the actual number because it's been a while. Just hit that subscribe button. Watch us grow. Help us out. Give us ideas. Talk to us. That's going to end today's video here today, guys. Thank you. We'll see you next time.